The Closing Bell is sponsored by E-Trade, the original place to invest online.
Welcome back to the Closing Bell. 2 minutes left of trade. A big day for Apple. Lots of announcements. What's it done to the stock price? Down 1.5%, but it's had a fantastic start to the year, a fantastic last couple of weeks. Interesting to see Netflix up, though, 1.5%. Perhaps not as much of a threat to them as people feared. As for the broader markets, essentially we're flat. It's been up and down, but not too big a spread. Up 100, down 100 on the Dow as we approach the close. We are up slightly on the Dow, 33 points, 0.1%. S&P's just lower, as is the Nasdaq's now flat as well. So nothing too much happening there. 10-year Treasury yield, that's the big mover, down below 2.4% about an hour ago, just above that level now. There's a 2-week chart. Peak to trough over that 2 weeks, below 2.4 was the trough, 2.63 was the high. Dollar, interestingly, over that 2 weeks hasn't done quite as much as the yield. And as I bring in Bob Pisani, look at the sectors, quite a defensive play out in the sector performance today, albeit we're around flat.
You're going to hear a lot about that high dollar when we get into earnings season in a couple of weeks. But to show you how obsessed the markets are with interest rates today, as yields move down, Treasury yields move down in the middle of the day, afternoon Eastern time, the market moved down. And as Treasury yields moved up late in the day, a little after 2 o'clock Eastern time, the market started to recover. Look, that chart, that's a very rare do you see that kind of correlation with the yields and the stock market.
Strong correlation, but the size of the move in yields much bigger than the size of the move in equities
that's
today.
true. But you get my point here. The market is watching interest rates above all else. Financial banks had another weak day. The J.P. Morgan, most of the regional banks were down somewhat close to 1%. By the way, I thought it was interesting with the Apple credit card. We saw even some weakness in the credit card companies. Synchrony, Discover were all down about 1%.
The other thing I would also say, though, Bob, the Nikkei down 3% today, Europe down. In that sense, a little bit of resilience here on the U.S. markets. There goes the bell, though. We are down around about 5 basis points on the S&P, up about that amount on the Dow. The Nasdaq's essentially flat, so ending the day right in the middle, flat. That does it for the first hour. Sarah, back to you.
Welcome to Closing Bell. I'm Sarah Eisen. Wilfred Frost rejoining me in just a moment, along with Mike Santoli, CNBC senior markets commentator, here as always. Here's how we finish up the day on Wall Street. Quite an indecisive day, up and down, certainly for the Dow. Closed up, but just about 15 points higher. By the way, Apple did close off the worst levels of the session, down 1.2%. Still was the biggest loser in the Dow. Boeing, interestingly, the biggest winner and point contributor. S&P 500